It's been a really good experience for me personally. I like how there's a lot of technical types of jobs and programs here.
Usually at this age, it's scary. You don't know what you're going to do. I only had a few things in mind, but I feel like this could really help most people.
It gives those businesses and industries a chance to discuss with students, to answer their questions about it, whether it's about their talent that's needed for that particular job or salaries perhaps.
A lot of these young individuals, they don't get to interact with people in these jobs, and they don't get to hear firsthand what these jobs are like.
All of their strengths are different, and they need to know what is out there to be offered outside of what they might see their parents do or they might see offered in their small community.
We're excited to see them take an interest in our utility work, but it also could be any type of career. What we're trying to do is build a better Alabama.